Hello students, I am Meena Madam. Today I am going to continue the chapter federalism. But before that, I would like to clear your doubts. One of the students wants to repeat the similarities and differences between the federal system of India and Belgium. So first we should know the similarities in the federal system of India and Belgium, and that is that both countries are the example of holding together federation, whereas the difference between the federal system of India and Belgium is that in Belgium central and state governments have more and less same power. It means they enjoying the same power. No government is more powerful, whereas in India central government is more powerful than the state government. Now let us continue the chapter. Today in this chapter we have to study about the division of legislative power between central and state government in India. How this division of legislative power can be amended. Third thing is that the special status of Jammu and Kashmir before 5th August 2019 and the linguistic states. So first topic is division of legislative power between center and state in Indian federal system. In fact, Indian Constitution provides three lists for the division of legislative power between center and state. The very first one is Union List. This list contains the subjects of national importance such as defense, banking, foreign affairs, currency, communication, etc. And only the central government has a right to make laws regarding this list. Second list is state list. It contains the subjects of local importance, that is police, trade, commerce, agriculture, marriage, etc. Sorry students, marriage doesn't come in state list. So regarding this state list, only state government has power to make laws. But central government also gets authority to make laws regarding the state list when there is not normal situation in a state. Third list is concurrent list. It includes the subjects of common interest to both the union government as well as the state government, like education, forest, trade union, marriage, adoption, forest, etc. And both government have right to make laws regarding this list. But in case of conflict with each other, the law made by the union government prevails. Here prevails means implements. Fourth is residuary power. There are many subjects which were developed after the implementation of Indian Constitution, like the computers, the software and many other subjects. And regarding these subjects, only the central government has power to make laws. And this power of central government is known as residuary power. Now we have to see whether this division of legislative power between center and government in India can be amended. Yes, it can be amended. Here, amended means changed. But for that, there is a very difficult process. And this process is that concerned bill should be passed by the both the houses of parliament with at least two-third majority, and it has to be ratified. Ratified means approved by the legislature of at least half of the total states. There may be the conflict between the center and state governments regarding their power, but in that case, the Supreme Court has got the right and authority to take the decision. That's why Supreme Court is known as the protector of Indian Constitution. Now we have to see the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, before 5th August 2019, Jammu and Kashmir got special status according to Article 370. And this was first point, that Jammu and Kashmir had its own constitution. No other states of Indian federal system had such facility. Second one was, many provisions of Indian constitution were not applicable to Jammu and Kashmir without the approval of the State Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir. And third thing was that those Indians who were not the permanent resident of Jammu and Kashmir could not purchase land or house in Jammu and Kashmir. But now Jammu and Kashmir doesn't have this special status. In fact, on 5th August 2019, Article 370 was revoked by Indian government, and Jammu Kashmir is become an union territory. Now we have to see the concept of linguistic state. Linguistic state means a state where the people speaking the same language live. In 1947, boundaries of different states were changed and new states were formed to ensure that the people who speak the same language should live in the same state. But this concept was criticized a lot by people, leaders. They said that this concept would lead to disintegration. It will hit our national integration, our unity. But the formation of linguistic states has proved, first thing, countries become more united. And second thing is that the administration has become easier. Now I dictate some questions. Write the answer of these questions in your copy and prepare notes. So very first question is, how is legislative power divided between central and state government in India? Second is, describe the amendment process to change a system of division of legislative power between center and state government in Indian Federation. Third is, which constitutional institution in India is the protector of Indian Constitution? Fifth is, Jammu and Kashmir enjoy special status. Discuss. State the arguments in the favor and against of linguistic states in India.